Alright guys, so it's August 7th, like 8 in the morning. Made it down here to the property in Virginia. I'm going to try to get as much mowing done as possible. So yeah, it's pretty much a fine mess. I haven't been able to get here. Got a lot of mowing to do, so yeah, might take me a couple days, but we'll get as much on film as we can for you and get this thing taken care of for hunting season. Welcome back to Hendrickson Ridge. Thanks for being here, and as always, I appreciate you guys. Alright, I'm getting there. It's a lot of mowing. It was all summer, so I got out by the road here, a little bit by the truck. I mean, look how high this was. Jesus. So I'm gonna do around the edges a little bit, but other than that, looking way better than it did. Alright, so we're at day number 2 down here on the property in Virginia, and we're going to do some tree clearing today. We got everything mowed yesterday, and we're going way up on this hill to the right. We're going to clear a little spot for hunting up there, so that will put a little bit of corn out for the cameras, and should be good to go. So we'll get started before it gets too hot and see how much we get done. Alright, another thing I got to do is I'm armed. We're going to get some wasps out of the hunting blind, so let's see what we can do. Oh boy, I think we pissed him off. Wasps, not feeling good. I'm gonna air this thing out. Whew, that's better. All right. Just let her air out. We'll clean up the bodies later. Alright, so we're on top of the hill, and this is the spot where I cut a little hole yesterday to get out to the right of way here. There's the corn down there, and then the deer were coming up this hill on an angle over to here. So this is the side where I'm trying to set something up to hunt over here. I got a little bit of a start yesterday, but I want to get in there a little bit, find a good tree, and yes, they were coming up this hill on an angle. I want to find a good tree right in here somewhere, but I also need some shooting lanes, and that's why I got the tractor here today. So set up a good hunting spot, and I'll show you when we're done. So guys, I was coming in here to see where exactly I should cut the path, what tree I want to sit in, and I seen something flipping its wing around in here, or something, some kind of animal. We're gonna go check it out, see what the heck it is. It's a wild turkey. I don't know if it's wounded or what's going on with it. Looks like a turkey. Let's go check it out. What's wrong with you, bud? What's the matter? Can't walk. Not sure what happened to her, but I'm gonna let nature take its course. Okay, baby. You all right? I forgot I needed one more camera up here on the hill where I cut, and figured I might as well put some corn in front of them. It's early in the season, you know, it's still August, so see what's up here.